my channel. What's up? I hope you're having a great day because I am. And as you can tell by the title, today I'll be doing another slime video because my last slime video was great and a lot of people loved it, so I decided to make another one. By the way guys, if you're new to my channel and would love to get more updates about my channel and would love to support me, then go ahead, click the subscribe button below and that will be amazing. So now, without more further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'll do about slime is I'm gonna mix all my slime in this bowl, which I will make a slime smoothie. So the first slime is this glossy slime with foam. And then the second slime is kind of like the same but a little bit different in its texture. And the next slime is a butter slime. I really love this texture of the slime. And the next slime is this flow orange slime with bits inside. Oops. Afterwards is this purple tofu slime. And then next is this pink jiggly slime. Next is another butter slime. And then I have another butter slime, but this one is harder because I mixed it with barrel oil slime. And then next I have an orange slime. It's kind of like the same with this one, but a little bit different in its texture. And then the last slime is a purple clay slime with flow. Excuse my red hand because I just mixed something with pink food coloring. That one. I'm gonna put it over there. Oh, but technically that wasn't the last one because I realized I had another slime. Let's take it out. This is another clay slime or butter slime, but this is a very hard texture because I mixed a lot of clay in this slime. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like right now. I'll just show you the edges. Okay. So this is what my slime smoothie looks like right now. Wow, this is so cool. This is so satisfying, guys. It's not really ASMR, but it's really nice. This is totally so beautiful, but kind of hard to dig inside. This is insane. I'm in love with this slime. This is such a cool slime. I recommend you to do this, guys. Let's get this off the bowl. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. There you go. This is what it looks like out of the bowl. I'm sorry for the messy table because I make slime a lot in here, so it got stained by a lot of food colorings. This turned out to be a hard slime, but a very good one. This is so good. Wow. I'm in love with this slime. Guys, look at that huge slime swirl I just made. Not really ASMR, but it's great. Like, I love this slime. If you hate trypophobia, don't watch this part. It's just a closer look to the slime that I just made from the slime smoothie. I mean, well, this is the slime smoothie. Look at that beauty. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking the like button below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.